channel. So guys, today this video is about extreme hide and seek. So guys, I'm with my cousin, Cheska. Hi. She's my cousin and very heavy. She's 4 years old. And then I'm with my sister, main guest, Shoei.
I'm not main, okay?
I know. But she's not really a guest now because she's always been in my videos. But she's still a guest. So guys, this video will start. Bye. So guys, this video will start if you hit my like button and subscribe to my channel and comment and be notified. Guys, let's go to the video. So guys, today we're going to be playing hide and seek extreme version. This is farm tour episode 2. So guys, if you're just like wanting farm tour 2, so guys, there's brand new places here. But guys, it is still hide and seek. So guys, I have
And extreme, right?
yeah. And guys, I have 2 people that really want the farm tour my video, which is my classmates. So I'm gonna be making farm tour hide and seek extreme edition. Okay, guys, let's go to hide and seek.
So guys, I will be explaining the rules, majority rules, and stuff like that. So there's gonna be 2 seekers. I mean, there's only be 2 hiders and 1 seeker. So that 1 seeker is me / the camera woman that holds the camera every time when we vlog. And the 2 seekers are our cousin Cheska and
Hiders.
Chanel. I mean never mind. So anyways, as I was saying, the majority of the rules is you're just gonna have to hide in a perfect spot. So if we find you, you're automatically out. So if you're gonna have to like this video, go like it now before this video starts. But wait, Chanel,
Yes.
I hear something. I hear that bell. I hear the bell. So guys, if you hear the bell too, I'm gonna make a challenge just for Chanel and for you guys. If you also hear that bell, or if you haven't heard it bell, so make sure go press that bell. But before you press it, I now have a challenge for you. You should have pressed the like button, subscribe button, and notification button, and within 5 seconds. So let's count up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you? So just let's get started.
So guys, I have here a thingy. I don't know.
Let's just go to that. So guys, the challenge will start in 3, 2, 1. Now go hide! Now go hide! Now go hide!
Look.
Yes, I'm not gonna look. Now go hide! Now go hide!
Oh, look, Cheska. Is Sugar sitting? Well, I don't know. So let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, he's clapping.
So guys, she'll be here. As if you don't know, there 2 are hiding right now, and I'm still seeking here. They only got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to hide. I forgot some, and yeah, this camera. So I'm just waiting for them to. It's been already 30 minutes, and they still not finished hiding. They still have 2 minutes left. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut up again. So guys, Shobi's back. It's already been 2 minutes and 1 minute left to hide. So if you saw the first clip before, they were running to stuff. Well, I don't know if they were running to stuff. If you don't know, the cameraman or woman that was holding a camera before, when they run, they said I don't know which place maybe there it's zips or maybe there, I don't know, maybe it's on another side. So there's another cameraman. If you don't know, I'm not gonna tell because it's automatically pressed restricted for the person, so I'm just gonna go respect and 30 seconds left to hide. So let's, count 30, 29, 28, 27, 3, 2, 1. Let's go find them. Let's go. So guys, I'm just gonna look at the covers first. There's the house thing. Probably they're not here. Nobody's here. Let me check under the table. No one's here. So if I found both of them, then they're both out. So this is extreme hide and seek. We only have one camera, that's why we can't, you don't even know where Shanna is. Maybe we have. No, they're not there. Let's just go search for them again. Oh, where are they? Let's go to that section and go around that section. So, where are they? If you already saw that it's new. They have chickens in there. It's upgraded, guys. If you saw the first farm tour that I saw. So, this is not held by me. This is held by Broadcaster Chanel, the owner of the channel. And so we're at the Riverside, Riverdale. Still here with my feet already. And ooh la la, what do we, Mama Mia, what do we have here? Go screenshot this, guys. It's so good. This is so dramatic. Okay, yeah, you already have your time. Let's just go fish for the two again. Guys, where are you? Where are you? Little spot. A brand new dog. I don't know if it's a he or she, but so guys, it's already been 1 minute and I still can't find the two. I heard our mom calling for Chanel and stuff, so I think she's finding them. Maybe I'm still here. Oh, I'm still at the riverside. So my feet are already dirty, guys. If you can see that, they're disgusting. Well, it's been a while. I like 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I still can't find them, guys. Yep. So let's keep finding. Ash, guys, I'm still finding for them, and I can't find them anywhere. Where are you? So guys, I'm still looking for them, and at the ground, beside the rivers, and again, I'm gonna search for them. Maybe they're there. Probably not, because there are plants there. If you can see. I'm gonna try searching for them there, but I'm not gonna go closer because it's dangerous. Maybe I could. Hello. Nobody there. Maybe here. Nope, nobody there as well. Nobody's there. If you can see that volcano, it's Mayan volcano. Just go search it on Google. It's the perfect shaped cone volcano in our province, Albay, Philippines. Just gonna go there. So it's already been 2 minutes lately. I don't know if it's still 2 minutes. Maybe it's, already 5 minutes. Still can't find them. This is really extreme. Not that extreme, like it's really dangerous, but this is extreme. I can't find them. I can't find them no longer anymore. Let's just search here. Okay, I'll stop searching here because it's already dangerous with that side. So I'm just gonna go up, and maybe you'll see me, guys, when I'm up. So guys, I'm going up. Oh my goodness. It's really stiff there. You can see those sticks. It's really stiff, and there are so many rocks here. I can't find them. It's almost dark. Oh my goodness. I'm scared. I'm scared. When can I find them? Let's search through there. So guys. Wait. I hear something. I hear something from this section. Is that? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's there, it's there. I really hear something. Wait! Oh my goodness. Hi, Gasha. What the heck are you doing with those pigs?
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
So guys, I'm gonna tell you that hide and seek is now officially done. So now guys, we're going to farm tour. So guys, first here, this is the chicken's place that we're going in. So guys, let's go.
Jessica, go there. Go over there. There's another shop. I thought it was there. But
Okay, we're not going in here. We're going there, okay? No there. Nothing. Nothing in there. Everything up. Wait.
look at
Don't
those
wreck it.
chickens, guys.
No, wait.
Wait.
No.
Stop arguing, guys.
Wait. Stop it. Wait,
Stop.
stop it. You're gonna wreck it.
I really wanna go in. Let the phone come first.
Phone, hi. Hi. Jessica. Wait, the chickens are
Oh my
going.
goodness, we're in. Slowly.
Come on, go in. Okay, I'm going in.
I'm going third. Hey, how about this? How can I? Chanel! Ooh, look at those chickens. Oh, freaking chickens.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
It's not afraid.
So what are we gonna do here?
I don't know, but hi. Hello, everybody. Welcome to farm.
Okay, so guys, this is their bedroom. And a chicken here.
Do you know I will farm? What the haircut?
It's more for them. And here is some fresh, healthy water. And there's
It's
some...
dirty.
I'm trying.
Wait.
Wait.
And there...
Oh, stop. Oh my goodness.
Hey, guys, I'm gonna give this to Chester.
Yes.
Guys, this is their little
Coop.
shelter. If they don't want to go sleep there, they're going here in the shelter. Hey, stop. So guys, we're going out.
And we're stuck. Oh, I thought we're stuck.
I'm to go.
Oh my God, there's a bookie.
It's Blackie. Say
We
hi.
call them bookie.
She.
So guys, here, we'll go here. There's a fire there. He's like, I want to get some.
How about let's show them the plants?
So guys, we're going to the plant.
Hi, guys. Tonight we go. Welcome to farm.
What do you call them?
They're water beans.
No, they're Gabby.
No, they're not Gabby.
Yes.
Hey,
guys-
you should do that again. Again.
Again.
You should see her. She's really good.
Look at guys.
Oh, okay. That's enough.
So
That's
guys,
enough.
guys, this is, and what is this? Our Philippine national plant.
It's not a plant. It's actually a leaf.
Leaf, what is it?
Anahaw.
Okay, guys. If you cannot understand, it's called as an anahaw.
So here's like a close up. Let me. Here's the close up. Oh my God! Stop that! Stop. So you're gonna hurt
I
me.
got a wound there.
You gotta stop this.
So guys, Shelby's taking a break because she's now officially tired. Guys, we're going. Okay, I don't want to go. So guys, wait for me for a sec. So guys, I'm gonna end this video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell beside the notification bell and be notified. So guys, I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye.